Hey guys, so quick video on the Forex theory, if it's legitimate or no. Now, yes, it's legitimate. What you can use it for. All you have to be aware of is that it doesn't mean it's going to work, right? And what I encourage you to do is check out the Trustpilot reviews, primarily the 1-star, and here you're going to learn a lot. So I have had over Forex for over a year. I have tried every possible combination in the world with take profit and stop loss and never made any money. I have run over 20 demos simultaneously for months in different combinations and time frames and always loses money. So here you're gonna find plenty of like these. And also when I was like researching okay, the Reddit. Now the problem with Reddit is that there are going to be plenty of AI generated fake comments. So this is something that you have to be aware of when someone is shooting something. And what I encourage you to do is, someone even wrote here, is that, let me just show this. Be smart, nobody's going to give you any money printing machine for 50 USD. And the thing is there is this channel called Rene Balke, FX Bot Trading. I highly recommend to check it out, where you can learn a lot from him. So this is something that I encourage you to do. So yeah, thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye.